There's nothing better than a home-cooked meal, especially when it's made with love and it's made from fresh ingredients from one's own garden. There's something that comes with pride from one's hard work through a season to finally have a harvest that you can enjoy and share with your family.
Saute your onions until golden brown.
You can use olive oil or any kind of oil that you prefer.
Add salt. Add your zucchini to the mix. Add your tomatoes to the mix. And add your fresh basil from the garden. Stir it up.
Zucchini cooks a lot quicker if you steam it.
Steam the vegetables. That's all I have left.
This garlic was grown in my garden last year, 2023, and what I did is I freeze-dried it, then powdered it, and it's been a lifesaver throughout the year.
Add the chicken pre-cooked from Butcher Box. Just one.
This is one of those luxury items, so I don't have to make it from scratch, but it is getting more expensive, so I may have to make myself cook it from scratch eventually. I bet you it's very easy. I bet there's only like 3 ingredients, maybe.
Add rice. Add his and her spoons.